everyone, welcome to Learn Computer with RCS. Today we bring you an exciting computer quiz full of fun and tricky questions. So get ready to test your brain. Let's see how much you really know about computers. Let's begin the quiz.
Wow!
Let's go. The first question is, what does BIOS stand for? Binary Input Output Signal, Basic Integrated Operating System, Basic Input Output System, Basic Internal Output Setup. The answer is Basic Input Output System. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. Next is fill in the blanks. The physical component of a computer are known as. Answer is hardwares. The physical component of a computer are known as hardwares. Next, true and false. RAM stores data permanently. It is true or false? It is false. The answer is false. RAM stores data in a temporary manner. Next, which type of software helps us to detect and remove viruses from our computer? Compiler, antivirus, operating system, and utility. The answer is antivirus. Antivirus are the softwares which help us to remove and detect viruses from our computer. The programs and the instructions that run on a computer are called. Answer is softwares. Softwares are the programs that we run on our computer. True and false. Microsoft Word is an example of system software. It is true or false? It is false. Microsoft Word is an example of application software, not a system software. The main memory of a computer is called secondary memory, primary memory, external memory, backup memory. Answer is primary memory. The main memory of a computer is also called a primary memory. Fill in the blank. The smallest unit of a computer memory is called. Answer is bit. Bit is the smallest unit of a computer memory. True or false? A modem is used for connecting to the internet. It is true or false? Answer is true. Modem is a device which helps us to connect with the internet. Which part of the computer is used for mathematical calculation? Memory, storage unit, ALU, CU. The answer is ALU. Arithmetic and logical unit help us to do mathematical calculation in computer. Fill in the blank. The control unit and the arithmetical logical unit together forms the. The answer is CPU. True or false? The binary system uses digit 0 or 1. It is true or false? The answer is true. Binary system uses digit 0 and 1. And that was today's computer quiz. How many answers did you get right? Tell us in the comment below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Learn Computer with RCS. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.